Today I'm going to show you how to analyze insights in Meta Business Suite. So business.facebook.com, you will come down over here to the left-hand side and you will see a few options. What we're looking for is insights. Now, if you go from over here on the left-hand side, you can see content. If you click on overview, you will be able to see an overview of all your performance. Now, if you go to content, underneath content, you can go to the top over here and you'll be able to see export data. Now, there's a few different things that you can do here. If you click on export data, you can export metric data from Facebook or from Instagram, and then you can choose your page. So for example, I'm going to choose this page over here, and then you can choose your date range. So this will be your start date and this will be your end date. You can also choose the metrics that will be presented. Over here, we've got the data view. So this will be lifetime and it will be data from publish date up until now, or data during selected days. So it depends on which one you want. And then the metric presets over here. Here you can choose either video, post, or page. So this will be data for your pages, for your posts, and then data for your videos. And then if you go into this drop down, you can see what exactly you would like to be exported exactly. We're going to leave this just like this. Then you can also filter out the creation date or activity and then click on generate. Now what will happen ultimately is you'll get this message. It'll say that it's busy being exported. And once it's been exported, you'll get this over here, which allows you to click on it. It'll download it. Here it is right here. And then you'll be able to open that and you'll be able to then read your data. Now it is a CSV file, so you'll need a program to support CSV format, which could be Microsoft Excel or a Google product.